Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using the Perfectly Plaid bundle, and this is a cute little Christmas card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so first I want to show you how I cut the card base, and I have a piece of Night of Navy, and I'm cutting it at 4 1/4 by 11. All right, and then I'm going to score it at 5 1/2. And then I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to cut it at 2 3/4. All right, so this is the end product, and it ends up like that. So let's start putting this card together. All right. So I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm going to go ahead and adhere this down with some snail. And this is just going to act as a guide for me here. I have a piece of the Wrapped in Plaid Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 2 1/2 by 4, and it just outlines perfectly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line this up. I'm going to put this down here. And then we will center that just like that. All right, now we will get this piece and line it up. And I'm only going to glue part of it here, so. Just like that. I'm going to bump it up here and then give that a good rub down. So we have this. Now I'm going to come in with my pine tree punch. Just like that. And now we are going to do some stamping, and we are using this plaid tree and Merry Christmas and may this special season be wrapped in love and joy. So I'm going to come in with my shaded spruce. And then I have our tree mounted on clear block B. And now what I'm going to do is just stamp it inside. I don't have enough ink on that. All right. So trying not to get my head in the shot here. Woo, just like that. Isn't that great? All right. So now for our sentiments, I have our new golden glitz. And I have Merry Christmas mounted on block B. And let's see, just put it right here. And then I'm also going to take our sentiment that's mounted on a clear block G. Just like that. And now I'm going to come in with some metallic pearls. And let's see, I know I want one here to kind of spruce up that white piece. And here. Two down here. All right, my Merry Christmas didn't come out very well, so let's see if we can get this down. All right, well, let's just take that off, and stuff is flying everywhere. I had another piece here, so just going to take this and line it up. You know, just exactly where I had it before. Okay. So, trying to be careful not to get this one stuck to the other. All right. So, just like that. And let's see if we can't get this going a little bit better. There goes my head into the camera. Much better. Okay, so we will adhere this down. Put that back here. All right, and I am going to pull off these little guys. And there you have it, a quick and simple Christmas card. This is my very first Christmas card for the season. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching. Bye.